Where else do we have this cap and trade? Is in Europe they have cap and trade? Can you tell us a little bit where else in the
Yeah,
world?
so there's a number of cap and trade markets out there. They have different histories. Europe is the oldest one. 2005 is when it was launched. Here in the States, we have basically three today. California, the largest. Then there's the Regional Greenhouse Gas Initiative in the Northeast. A collection of states there are regulating power sector emissions. So it's a more narrow system there versus California is a economy-wide system.
Yeah.
Washington State just came out with one, but also kind of internationally, there's more and more cap and trade systems being established. China launched their program. It's kind of in call it pilot phase still, but they are serious about it. New Zealand has its program. South Korea has a program like it.
Interesting.
So there are more and more being established worldwide.
So do you envision one day that at different places you will look to incorporate in your investment, particularly that you will say, well, gee, it would be nice to have some California, some Europe, some South Korea. They may have different characteristics that gives for further diversification.
I mean, clearly, there's definitely a strong case to be made to look at the carbon markets worldwide. All the ETS systems out there essentially work with the same principle that the cap is reduced over time and fairly quickly, and therefore there's an expectation that the market increasingly tightens and the prices to go up over time, right? So it should be beneficial to be allocated across. Now, obviously, there's differences between the different markets, and some markets are a little bit more attractive than others. And so we are looking at all of these markets, all the tradable markets out there, following them. And California, in our view, is by far the most attractive, has the most interesting reward versus risk balance of all the carbon markets out there right now. But obviously, that can change over time. So it's definitely something that you wanna follow and basically keep an open mind.